Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 32. Find the midpoint of S having a coordinate of -5 and 4 and C having a coordinate of -3, -2. Simply means that x1 is equals to -5, y1 equal to 4. From here, x2 equals to -3 and y2 equals to -2. Now, midpoint or the coordinate of a midpoint is equals to x1 plus x2 all over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 all over 2. Now this is equal to -5 plus -3 all over 2, comma 4 plus -2 all over 2. Now this is equal to -5 minus 3, that will give us -8 all over 2, comma 4 minus 2 will give us 2 all over 2. So this is equals to -4, comma 1. So this is the midpoint. This is the coordinates of the midpoint, -4, comma 1, and that is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.